Extension box is needed if you have heater over 11 kilowatts. The following instructions for electrical works must be carried out by a certified electrician. Install the extension box close to the UKU main module because you need to connect them with AVG 14 cable. Mount the extension box to the wall using 4 screws provided. The screw holes are located at the corners of the unit. All of the cables must be crimped. Start with heater cables. Pull the wires into the extension box from the bottom openings using plastic grommets. Connect the heater cables to the right relay. The connecting order starting from the right side is red, black, red, black, and the ground cable goes to the grounding terminal on the left. Now connect the power cable for the extension box. Powering UKU main module from extension box is forbidden. Connect the power cables to the relay on the left. The wiring order starting from the right is red, black, red, black. Again, the ground cable goes to the grounding terminal at the left. Now, install the AVG 14 cable that is connecting the extension box to the UKU main module. Starting from the extension box, connect the ground wire to the grounding terminal. Next, the black wire to terminal L1 and the red one to L2. Pull the other side of the cable into the main module. There, connect the red wire to terminal U, the black wire to terminal V, and the ground wire to the grounding terminal at the left side at the main module. Now, pull in the power cable for the UKU main module. The red wire goes to terminal L2, and the black one to L1. The ground wire goes to grounding terminal at the left side. If you have neutral cable as well, pull it into the main module and connect it to terminal N. Neutral cable is needed for sauna lights or ventilation and steamer. When all the cables are connected, close the extension box and main module cases. For further questions, please visit our website HUUMsauna.com or contact your local reseller.